Hi, this video is for the cast of our middle school drama, Dear Edwina Jr. I just wanted to make you familiar with the newest addition to our Schoology page. So when you open up our Schoology page, you're now going to see this header at the top. If you click here on this icon, it will open up the musical rehearsal calendar. And as you can see, I've added some dates. So it'll have the date and who should be there along with the time. Please note that you need to check often for updates since there will be changes. I have rehearsals scheduled all the way up through March 2nd. Our performance is on May 5th, possible May 6th. That's why it's marked as tentative. And that entire week is Tech Week. You have to be at that. Now I'm going to go back into Schoology. When you arrive at rehearsal each day, you're going to click here to complete the attendance form. So this is where both of those will be located, always in the header. So again, when you open up our Schoology page at the top, you should see this. If for some reason you don't see it, it means that you're logged out of your Google account. Just simply log into your school Google account. Click onto here. You'll get our calendar. And if you click here, you'll get our rehearsal attendance. All right, I hope that you will make some time to practice with our rehearsal tracks that are posted. I tried to put them in the order that they happen in the book. These are the songs that everyone sings with the exception of Up on the Fridge. That's for Edwina. I'll be posting more as I get time and as my Wi-Fi will allow. Thanks for your patience, and I hope to see you on Monday, February 13th from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.